How to refer a friend on Chase Bank. Now, for you to be able to get here, all you have to do is just simply open up or access any preferred web browser that you want to use. From there, all you have to do is go to the search bar and type in accounts.chase.com /RAF /landing. Now, this is not gonna stop by just getting a $50 for each um, confirmed or 100% successful friend. So you can also get a $500 bonus to get a cash bonus up to $500 for each friend who opens up a qualifying Chase checking account. Now this is going to be ending up in a $500 per calendar year. So this is basing on their calculation. Now, for you to be able to have that specific link for you to share, just go to this link right here and just enter your information on these required fields. So enter your last name, your zip code, your last four digits of your Chase debit card, or the last four digit of your Chase checking account. Now, once you tap on or click on continue, you will be given out a link to share for you to be able to start and inviting your friends. So again, for a successful invite, you'll get at least $50 for each friend reward. So that's it. That's how you refer a friend on Chase Bank.